Good morning, good evening. So, welcome to Cloud Developer. It's your channel, so it's running based on your support. A quick disclaimer: a lot of people asking me how much money I'm making from this channel. So, this channel is a very small channel. It's not even eligible for monetization, so I am not getting any money from this channel. This is a quick disclaimer. It's your channel. When you do a subscribe, like, a comment, it just appreciate me to create some another video, or it just motivate me to create some another video. Okay, so that's how it is. It is your channel. So with your love and your appreciation, it's only running, nothing else. No money involved in this channel as of now. So uh, yesterday you would have seen, if you see my screen, yesterday you would have seen this thumbnail in LinkedIn, that HTML and table, how we can do using blob.toPDF using Apex without using any Visual Force page or anything. Why I created this video? Because if you remember in last video, which was very popular one, almost 100 likes, comments and all those things I have received. So on that, many people asked me, okay, for normal text or small modification this PDF is fine, but what about complex styling or complex table, whether this is working or not, to create a video. That's why this video I'm creating. Okay, coming back to the topic. Please see my screen. If you'll see this HTML in the thumbnail, as you can see, this HTML, we'll try to convert it to PDF like this below. Okay, so I'll come back to my notepad first. Okay, you can see here there is a HTML code. Okay, and when you see this, it is creating a table like this. It is creating a table with the name, role, experience and status. Okay, we'll try with this table whether we are able to convert it to PDF or not. But before that, I can tell you one thing. Okay, the HTML generation and the PDF generation, both the logic and engine is separate. That's why they will not be visible exactly same as HTML. There would be some difference. Okay, the HTML styling exactly will not be able to replicate in PDF. Okay, that is there in our mind from the beginning as a assumption. Okay, now move back and see. So this is my HTML. I can see in the HTML browser, I can see it, but when you bring it to a Salesforce field, let's say rich text field. So rich text field, I have a rich text field. Last session, whatever rich text field we have used, profile info, the same rich text field we'll use. We cannot directly put a HTML code here, but using data loader or using your inspector, we can do that. If you have inspector, just click on show all data. Okay, and search for that field, profile. Okay, profile info, and put that code. Okay, and click a save. Now come back to the UI mode, Salesforce UI mode, and in the detail page you see it has created the table. It has created the table, but the styling and all, it was not able to read. That is the problem, because the shadow DOM and all those concepts are there in Salesforce. Okay, that's why it is not able to interpret it. That means you see the formatting, this status, if you see, that was color coded before. Here you'll see color coded. Okay, and this table was little formatted, but here it is not showing like that. Okay, so what we can do to make it similar, look and feel like this table? What we can do, we can convert this CSS, this external CSS. You will see here we have used so many CSS classes. That's why it is not able to read and interpret. So what we'll do, we'll convert it to uh, inline CSS. Okay, so what we'll do, copy this code. Nowadays converting external CSS to inline CSS is very easy. We can do it using a ChatGPT or Copilot or like that. Okay, so for this purpose we will use Prayas chatbot. Okay, in Google we'll search Prayas chatbot. Okay, the first one here, Prayas chatbot. We'll click on that. In this, you can log in using Google, or you can also log in using your email and password. So I'll do using my Google credential. Now it is very similar to your perplexity like things. You can create, you can generate image, you can generate audio, you can attach a file and analyze. But this image and all those things, some of the things, image and audio generation are only available for pro version. Okay, so for ordinary, these two things are not available. Okay, or standard users. Okay, if you are looking for a pro version, you can connect with me. I'll try if I can get a pro version for you for temporarily for trial basis. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll say here convert below HTML table to inline style. Okay. Now I'll put it and I'll try to convert it. So let's see. So while it is converting, I can tell you here, if you are a pro user, you can see this pro user, green color pro user here. Otherwise it will show as standard user. If you are pro user, you have credit balance. So for each request, it will consume one credit balance. It doesn't know the token basis and all those things which other chatbots and all those things do, like ChatGPT and all. Okay, so it is just per request. Per request, one token. Okay. So now we have the table ready. We will not copy the HTML body from the table only. I will copy because I am more interested for this table part. Okay, I have copied. Now I will go back to my Salesforce screen again and go to show all data. Now replace this one which we have before with the one which we generated. Okay, now save it. Now come back to our screen, Salesforce screen. Okay, now go to detail page. Now you see it is properly formatted. Properly formatted means almost same as like this. Okay, because of this inline style. Okay, name, role, experience, and the status is also color coded. Okay, it is almost similar to like this. Now the next thing what we'll do, we'll convert it to PDF. What we'll do, we'll use the same class what we have used. If you have not seen that video, please go and see that video available in this channel. Okay, how to generate, because today we have less time, so we cannot cover from the beginning. Okay, I'm getting some issue. Just a minute, let me do like this. Okay, some issue. Okay, so you see this class you have already seen before. Okay, so I'll not spend time to explain it again. If you have not seen, please see that previous video. What I'll do, I'll go here, execute anonymous. You see this method we used to generate our PDF. Even we did it in last video also same. So let's execute. Okay, now it is completed. And few people commented that heap size limit they are hitting while generating PDF. So for them, I would say try with future method or queuable, because when you do it in asynchronous way, you get 12 MB of heap size instead of 6 MB. So that may solve some of your problem. Okay. So now we'll go to related list. Now this one is the latest one. Okay. Uh, so we'll see it. Now you see the table has uh, properly coming. I mean, it may not be exact as your HTML, as I told you from the beginning, because HTML used to work in a different way, PDF used to work in a different way. But as for the information, as for the information is concerned, all the information are rightly presented. That means in a table, color coding and all, even though it is not exactly same. If you have any other question, you can just post a comment or connect with me on LinkedIn. Any other things you wanted to do, or you wanted me to create video on, please post a comment. I'll see if I can create a similar video like that. Please like, subscribe, and comment, so that it motivate me to create some other videos. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Have a great